In this ProClip for Helios AIR1, we will show you how to install an internal warm water post-heating element. Please observe the safety information in the corresponding installation and operating instructions. Before starting installation work, check the delivery for completeness. The warm water post-heater can be installed either before or after the actual unit installation. Start by unlocking and opening the left and right service doors. Ensure that the doors are properly secured to avoid uncontrolled swinging. The next step is to remove the service door by removing the screws and pushing the service door towards the terminal box. Depending on the unit size, we recommend removing the service door with 2 or more persons. Disconnect the pipe connections on the unit and install the heating element. Fix the heating element in place using the star grip screws. Seal the pipe connections and tighten them. Then remove the plastic cable ties on the temperature sensor. Then attach the temperature sensor to the return line using the metal cable tie. Wrap the insulating tape around the temperature sensor and fix it in place using the 2 plastic cable ties. This completes the installation of the heating element. The installation of the flow and return lines is still to be completed. Please check if a hydraulic unit is required on site. This is available as an accessory. Lastly, the heating element is activated in the Commissioning Assistant. To do this, click on one of these 2 preview videos. More information on Helios AIR1 can be found on our YouTube channel and heliosAIR1.com.